In today's video, we are going to find out the method by which you can recover your deleted Instagram chats. This sounds impossible, but it's actually not. So welcome to a fresh new episode of Tech Paradise, and now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Moving forward with the video, there are two ways of recovering deleted or unsent chats of Instagram. The first one I will suggest is to download Notification History Log app, and you can download the free version of this app from the link given below in the video's description or in the pinned comment. After downloading the application, grant the notification capturing permission, and then it's good to go. You don't need to log in your Instagram or anything in this app. Now here you can see that I'm messaging on my primary account from my secondary account, and after this I am unsending the message as well as I'm going to delete the chat too. Now let's jump back to the Notification Log app, and here we can see all the messages are trapped even after the message is unsent by the user, and even the chat is deleted from my end. This app needs premium membership for extended usage, but you can grab the free version of this app from the link given below in the video's description. Now let's move to the second trick. For this, go to your profile and then click on Instagram menu. There select your activity option and then click on the last option, which is for downloading your information. After this, click on request a download. Then select the second option. Now here you have to select messages and then click on the next button. After this, here you have to select HTML format, and in date range select last week for most recent deleted messages recovery. After this, click on the submit request button. Now after this, within few minutes or hours, you will get a copy of your Instagram on your mail, and then download the zip file and unzip it. And inside the message file, you will find the complete chat, which will include the unsent messages as well. Unzipping applications link are also given below in the video's description. So this is how you can recover deleted or unsent Instagram chats within minutes. And if you guys are having any question about the video, then please drop a comment in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.